Howdy there, YouTube. So, I'm sitting here editing this video, and it's a video I took last year. As you probably know by the title, we're working on my K30, and I started that February of 23, and did a little bit of it, and that got put on the back burner. So, here it is, 2024, and I'm finally getting this video out. Hopefully, the plan is here soon to start working on it again. So just letting you know there is going to be a time difference, time gap. I'm not going full in depth on how to's or anything like that. Maybe a little bit here and there, but we're just going to work on it, get it running, and whatnot. So just a little FYI for you guys. Enjoy the video.
Howdy, YouTube. Look what we're working on behind me right there. It's finally happening. So, the reintroduction of the beast. It's in my garage. It's a tight fit. I'm not pulling it out to show you all the way around it. But, that's it. I'll throw a couple pictures in that I have of it. But, yeah. Anyway, for those of you who haven't seen the videos prior, this is my 1986 K30. It's a crew cab, long bed, obviously 4-wheel drive. Pickup, it's a 1-ton. It's got a Dana 60 kingpin front, 14-bolt full floater rear, 350 V8 behind with a turbo 400 behind it, and an MP205 transfer case behind that. This is my first vehicle I've ever bought. Bought it cash money, cutting grass during the summer. $1,826 after the governor out the door, which is pretty cool if you ask me. But yeah, what we're gonna do to it, you may ask. Well, I'm not exactly sure. I want to redo it all. However, I have some things I need it for, to be used for, cutting trees and stuff like that. I don't know if you can see that behind me, but the last inspection sticker was due in 2015. So, it's been off the road quite a bit. It's not the best shape. It's got some rust on it. A little bit more than I would like to have on it, if I'm being honest. It needs some body work, but we'll get to that. That's not number one priority. Number one priority right now is get it running and get it on the road. So, I'm going to pull the engine out of it. It's the plan. Go through that because it was making a weird noise, ticking noise, and it's been sitting for 8 years? Something like that? Yeah. Pretty much 7-8 years since it last ran. It was sitting longer than that, but well, I haven't started it since then. It was ran before while it was sitting. But anyway, we're going to do that. Going to put, hopefully, brake lines all the way through it. Probably fuel lines. Go through the brakes. I know it has a pinion seal leaking on the rear axle. So we'll go through that. We'll hopefully clean them up, paint them. If not, it'll get done eventually. But I need it on the road. So, it's going to be a work in progress. As you can see, I'm in a tight 2-car garage. It is small to begin with. I have 2 full-size rigs in here. This truck and my sister's 78 Broncos on the other side. I've got hobby stuff, woodworking stuff there, storage. In the center is racks with car parts on it and other hobby stuff. We used to make wine. I haven't in a while, but there's that stuff. And on the other side is the Broncos toolboxes, and then the Broncos obviously in the center of the other side. But on top of the Broncos, car parts as well for the Bronco and this thing. So, it's going to be a little challenging, but I'm going to show you we can do it, and we'll get her done. So, just a quick reintroduction and what we're going to be doing with the beast right here. Now, not sure. This is my first time doing anything to this scale. So it's not going to be too many how-to videos. It's going to be more of, I don't want to say a vlog, but you know, vlog-esque kind of videos. But also video as much as I can, show you as much as I can. Hopefully, I can do better videos on the Bronco when we do that. And believe me, this is not the only time this is going to be torn apart. So there's going to be a lot more videos on this thing, because it will be done the real right way, the real right way eventually. Just not now. Just needs to get running so I can use it for its intended purpose as a pickup truck. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more, especially on this thing. There's hopefully going to be a lot of videos. So, as I end all my videos, stay crazy. Have a good one, people.